Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted contacts from Google accounts or restore deleted contacts from Google accounts. If you want to recover or restore your deleted contacts number or recover or restore your deleted contacts number from your Google account or your Gmail account, when you accidentally delete or lose your contacts or contacts number, so instead you can easily recover or restore your all deleted contacts and contacts number from your Gmail account or your Google account. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. After that, in this here type or write or search Google Contacts. You can see Google Contacts. So in this you can choose and select Google Contacts. Click here. You can see use the Contacts app. Quick and easy access to all your contacts even when you are offline. After that you can see two options. Stay on web. After that use app. So in this you can choose and select any option. I can choose stay on web. So in this way I can easily recover or restore deleted contacts or recover or restore contacts number from Google account or Gmail account. So let's see. So in this way I can show fast process or fast method. After that, left top corner 3 button option, click on it. After that, choose and open bin. After that, choose and open your deleted contacts and contacts number, open it. After that you can see two options, delete forever or recover. So in this way you can choose recover, click on it. You can see in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted contacts and contacts number from your Gmail account or Google account. After that go back. And in this way I can show another way or second process. After that you can see download option, click on it. You can see export contacts, export as Google CSV for Outlook only. After that Bcard for Android or iOS. So in this way I can choose first option Google CSV. After that choose export, click here. You can see file downloaded complete. So in this way you can easily recover or restore your all related contacts or contacts number from your Google account or Gmail account. After that I can show third process or third method. After that, right top corner, click on it. After that, choose and open manage your Google account, click here. You can see home, personal info, data and privacy, security. So in this way you can choose and select data and privacy, click on it. After that scroll down. In this way you can see content saved from Google services. After that Gmail, photos, drive. So in this here, click on it. Scroll down. After that you can see contacts, 451 contacts, 496 other contacts. So in this way you can choose and select download, click on it. Scroll down. After that choose next step, click here. Scroll down. Choose create export, click on it. Your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. Remember. So minimize it and go to your Gmail. You can see Google Takeout. Your Google data is ready to download. So open it. Scroll down. After that, choose and select download one of two, click on it. You can see file downloaded, file download. After that you can see open, so choose open, click here. Open Takeout, choose and open contacts, click here. In this way, you can easily recover or restore your all deleted contacts and contacts number from your Google account or Gmail accounts, or recover or restore your all deleted contacts. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.